We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works really hard to make sure everyone is happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We take pride in our 5-star service rate. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Experience our service and you'll be amazed. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen, and we hope to see you soon.